Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel. Chris, another warm start to what's shaping up to be another unseasonably warm day.
Yeah, Joe, we've got a high pressure that's now going to be moving off to the east and south. It was over us yesterday that got temperatures up there into the middle to upper 60s. And today, as that thing shifts off to the east, our winds will come a little bit more to a southwesterly direction. We're already at southwest at 10 miles per hour in Burlington and Gunlun. We got southwest at 5 in Colby. We're still in a northwesterly direction up in McCook and starting to turn to the southwest in Ray and Imperial. When those winds get going here this afternoon at 10, 20, maybe some gusts to 25 miles per hour, that'll push these temperatures that are starting out here this morning at 35 in Gunlun, 33 in Colby, 28 in Oberlin, and 31 in McCook up there into that 70 to 75 degree range. If we would happen to hit 75 degrees, we would break or tie records in McCook and Gunlun. We've got 80 degrees out there in Hill City and 78 for the record in Colby. Like yesterday we were shy about 5 to 7 degrees. Today we may tie one of those, as those temperatures do look like they'll get to that at least 70 degrees, and maybe even a 73, 74, and 75 are not out of the question. Then we're going to see a change tomorrow. We got a cool front that'll get dragged through here this evening and tonight. That'll turn these southwesterly winds to the north, gusting 25 to 35 miles per hour. Pull in some colder air that's sitting up there to the north, and we're going to see our temperatures drop about 20 degrees for tomorrow. They'll be in that 50 to 55 degree range for highs. Those gusty north winds won't diminish until tomorrow later in the afternoon. Overnight lows will be middle to upper 20s here the next couple of nights. And then as we get to Thursday and Friday, that high pressure will come back over the area from the west. Looks like we'll see temperatures climb back up there into the 60s, and that'll be ahead of another low pressure system that'll come over the Rockies out of the south and west late Saturday into Sunday. Looks like it's going to take a track through the Oklahoma-Texas panhandle a little bit further to our south. That'll draw some precipitation chances south of I-70 during the day on Sunday. Right now, temperature-wise, it looks like we'll be in the lower 50s, those lower 40s for highs. Overnight lows will be in those middle to upper 20s. So depending on the timing of those systems, we could have a rain and snow trying to mix in if it's in the morning hours or during the overnight. But right now, it looks like it's going to be a daytime system. So we're going to put mostly rain, maybe a little snow mix if it comes in the morning there south of I-70 on Sunday. Then we've got another system that'll be right on its heels coming Monday night into Tuesday. This one's going to take a track a little bit farther to the north and over the tri-state area, maybe a little bit colder, and could be in that early morning time frame there into Tuesday morning. So we'll keep an eye on that one. Again, our temperatures will be in that right around that 40 degrees for the highs. Could see it a little bit warmer. That's what we're going to need to watch here as we're monitoring this, is those temperatures there, particularly Sunday morning and Tuesday morning, to see if they're cold enough to get any snow in these systems. Right now, computers are showing a rain-snow type mix. I'm leaning more towards a rain potential. Both systems have that quarter to half inch moisture potential with them. And we'll watch these tracks to see if they'll come over the area or miss us to the north and south. It's all possible. But right now, we've got a pretty good chance with the next two systems of getting some type of precipitation. Again, those temperatures will be in the low 40s to low 50s for the highs, overnight lows in the middle to upper 20s, lower 30s. And then we'll look farther down the road, and we got systems on the 7th and 8th and also the 12th and 13th, very similar, coming from a west and southwest direction, increasing in temperatures each day with days getting longer. So we're probably looking at daytime temperatures in the 50s, 60s, slightly above normal, and those overnight temperatures right around the freezing mark. So right now it looks like we're gradually heading towards more rain. Still can't rule out some snow with these systems, but we'll take the moisture no matter how we get it.
That's for sure. Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather and Atwood, as well as America's Weather streaming channel for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.